Hello everyone. Here we are with the second part of Serenade from Schubert. I'm going to be playing from measure 36 all the way through. We're going to talk about first about two new pizzicato chords that we have to learn because the other pizzicato chords, we already know. We played it on video number 1. So two new pizzicato chords, like 5 measures of new melody from this second part, and the rest you already know. Okay, so this is going to be a really quick video. I'm going to play the whole second part, and then we'll talk about it. Okay. That's it. Let's talk about the two new pizzicato chords. Measure 43 and 44. Measure 43. Finger number 1 is going to be in B natural. Finger number 2 is going to be on G natural. And finger number 4 is going to be on E. Okay, this is E minor. Measure 44. Finger number 1 on B natural, and the same finger is going to press on F sharp, B and F sharp, which is like one on top of the other. And finger number 2 is going to be on D. That's B minor. Okay, E minor. Again, measure 43. Finger number 1 is going to be in B natural. Finger number 2 is going to be on G, and finger number 4 is going to be on E. Measure 44. Finger number 1 is going to be on B natural and F sharp, and number 2 is going to be on D. Every single other pizzicato chords that I did, you already know it from part 1. So please go there if you have questions about how to play those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra pizzicato chords at the end. All right. Measure 36. You're going to play that first A not on the second string but on the open string. Finger number 1. E is going to be played with finger number 4. Finger number 2 on D, and go back to C sharp. So make sure you get that E and D and C sharp with one bow, up bow. Okay. Measure 36, 37, 38. That is a one bow, down bow, the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, the whole thing, okay? Open string A. We play finger number 1 on C sharp. The E, the same bow, go back down to D, same bow, finger number 2, and the C sharp on measure 40 is gonna go oboe. That's oboe. Okay? Okay? Now, we do a quick shift over to F sharp. Finger number 3. Okay, that's down bow. A quick slur down to E. We switch from finger number 1, that E. We switch finger number 4. Okay. 3 E with 1, switch, because you're gonna switch both. You go on the elbow now with finger number 4. D. That's all the way to C sharp. Again, Finger number 3 on F sharp. 1 on E, switch, because you go switch bows. E, D, E sharp, and going down all the way down to B. That's all the way, that's a whole bow. Okay. Change. When you get to that D, that's a bow. That's a D and B. Okay. It's a B natural. B natural. That's it. That's it. That's the whole new information, other than the one that I'm going to show you right now. Everything else is the same. You've done it before. Again, measure 36. Let me do it slowly. Okay. From there, we go into the pizzicato that we just learned. The E minor with a B flat, G and E. Yeah. And B minor. Finger number 1 is still on B natural, F sharp and D. Yeah. Now this part right here, we already got it from part 1. Okay. We're going back to this place. That's it. You got it, right? So once you're done with this, yeah. All right. Let's go to measure 53 to 44, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 48. Let's go to 48. When you finish on that D has it has a tie to the next measure. Okay, so that's you count in 3 plus 1. You stay there for 3 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a silence, and then you have a harmonic. You have a harmonic on D right here. Okay, finish it up again with 1, 2, 3, 1. Up bow harmonic. That's 1 beat only. And then you go to B flat with finger number 2. 1, 2, 3, down to A natural, finger number 1, 2, 3, up bow, down bow, F sharp, 2, 3, that's it. Okay, 58 again. G minor, you got it. D major, A, D. Right there, okay. I think we're done. Questions? Leave them on the comments below, and I answer them.